Bago namin matikman yung pangalawang bites nila na tinatawag nilang garden, dinala muna nila kami sa garden nila kung saan sila nagtatanim at kumukuha ng mga herbs and spices na ginagamit mismo nila sa mga food nila dito. Na-establish daw to noong 2016 by Chef Shelly himself along with the Cordillera farmers up in the north. So for the second bite is the garden tart. Made out of lumpia wrapper molded into a tart with local scallops, with Philippine mango, and topped with mustasa foam infused with some garden herbs. They also added some malunggay powder and garnish it by pansitan na kakapitas lang mismo. Pwede din daw namin itry kung gusto namin. Kumain ng bagong pitas at edible na dahon. Siyempre game kami dyan, and actually it was a wonderful experience. So let's go back to garden tart. Kung yung una ay pinakain sa amin lahat, ito daw ay isang kagat muna, then tsaka kainin lahat. And yes, ang sarap din niya. Sarap.